Hello friends, welcome to C programming tutorials. In this class we are going to learn about storage classes. In C programming we have four types of storage classes. Storage class specifiers. One is auto, another one is register, so third one is static, fourth one is extern. So storage classes is nothing but now this int a object can be declared any one of these storage class. How? If it is a auto, then I can declare like this auto int a. If it is a register, then I can write register int a. If it is a static, then I can declare this as a static int a. Okay. So if it is a extern, then I can declare extern int a. Okay. So based on the storage class, the characteristics of the object will be changed. I hope you all know the characteristics. Now we discuss one by one. First one is auto. If I declare this object as a auto, then what happened? Then the scope of the variable a is block. That means local, and the duration of the memory allocation is automatic, and it is linkage is internal. And how we can declare? By using the auto keyword, or by default is also the variable is auto. Coming to here, block, that means it is a local. Let us take this example. In this we declare two variables, one is I, another one is x. These two are the auto variable. That means, so this is the I, let us, and this is the x. So initial value equals to 1. You forget about this for loop. Int I equals to 1, 1 less than or equals to 3, true, we enter into the block. We discuss in detail about the looping. In this class you can concentrate on these variables only. Int x equals to 1, it is also auto 1. Okay, that means now the scope of the variable x is within the local. So up to here, you declared here, the block is ended here. So you can use this x within this block. That means the x is local to this block. X plus plus, now it becomes 2. You are going to print 2. Okay. So after completion of this block, you are going to enter another time, but its extent is automatic. So memory is deallocated. Memory is deallocated. Again, it enter into the block 2 less than 3. X equals to 1. Again, memory is allotted. And x plus plus 2. And prints again 2. I plus plus it becomes 3. When the block is ended, deallocation. Again, x equals to 1. X plus plus. And you are going to print x value. This is the output for this program. If you observe that the scope of this x is restricted to this block, and it is extend is automatic. When the block is completed, the memory is deallocated. And linkage is internal. You can access this x within this block only. And keyword is how we can declare auto or none. You can declare like this also, auto. Okay, so this is about auto storage class. Next one, register storage class. So register storage class is nothing but the auto and the register both are the same. The only difference is, for auto you are going to allocate the memory in primary memory. If you declare a variable as auto, then we can allocate the memory in primary memory. But coming to if you declare a variable as a register, then the memory is allocated in CPU registers. Okay, so what is the advantage is quick access. The CPU can access the variables very quickly, while the registers are in CPU. Very quickly it can access the data and perform the operations. Remaining all same. So scope is block, extend is automatic, linkage is internal. How we can declare a register variable means simply you can use register int a. Now the memory allocated in registers. So these are the registers, let us assume. In these registers you are going to store the a. Okay. Next one is static. In static we have two types. First we see the characteristics. The static scope is block, that means if you declare a static variable, the visibility of the static variable is within the block and the extend is static. We concentrate on this. Okay, in GATE exam also some questions are asking on this static variable. Now you can, so listen carefully. So what is this extend? The same example, if I declare this x as a static, now what happened? I equals to 1 initially, 1 less than or equals to 3, true. So enter into the block and x equals to 1. But this x is static. So the duration of memory allocation is until the completion of the program. So x equals to 1, x plus 2, printf, x means it prints 2. Again, it completes the block, but still x remains in the memory. Why? X is declared as a static. Again, 2 less than 3, true. Enter into this block, 2 plus 3. It prints 3. Block is over. Again, 3 less than 3, true. X plus, it becomes 4, percentage d 4. 2, 3, 4. Okay, so why in previous example, why we get 2, 2, 2, now 2, 3, 4. So previous example, the x is auto variable, but coming to now, the x is static variable. So the duration of memory allocation is there until the execution of the program. If it is auto, it automatically deallocates if the block is executed. Okay. Now the static, in static we have two types, one is block, another one is file. If I declare this x within the block, then the visibility of the x is within the block. If I declare this x as globally, then this x can be visible within the program. That's the difference only. If I declare here, that is static file. If I declare within the block, that is static block. Okay, the scope is within the block, extend is static, linkage is within the program only, and how we can declare by using the static keyword. Static file, so file is nothing but global declaration, extend is static, so linkage is internal, how we can declare static. And next one, extend. In some situations, the big problem is divided into the sub problems. Now each problem is a one file. Now sometimes I link the data from one file to another file. In those cases, we are going to use extend variables. Now the extend scope, if you declare a variable is a extend, the scope is within the file, that means global, and extend means the duration of memory allocation, static, and the linkage is external. You can access some external file variable if you declare that variable as a extend. So how we can declare? You can use extend or none. Okay, but we have different modules. So for example, these three are the three modules: int a, int a, int a. Now these three modules have a. So that means this we are called as a extend keyword, or you can declare as a extend key, declare with extend key also. Okay, and one important point is the initial value of the static variable is 0. For remaining variable, the static value is garbage value. But if you declare a variable as a static, the initial value of the static variable is 0. I hope you all are understand the storage classes and type qualifiers.